welcome back to my channel. I'm ET. So today's video is gonna be another Shein videos. However, this one is gonna be different from the last one because the last one that I purchased from Shein, I only got a lot of spring and summer dresses. So this time I want to try something a little different because the clothing on Shein store is really affordable and their quality is not bad. So I challenged myself to dress in Shein outfits for a week. That's all the outfits is gonna be $10 or less, and here is all the clothing that I have. I haven't unpackaged I unpackaged some of them, but not most of them because I want to show you guys how it looked like. So this is the bag that it came in, and all the outfits in here is either $5 or a little less. And yeah, I want to try it out and see how it is because summer is almost here and I want to switch out my closet a little. So I went ahead and picked up a few spring summer related outfits to try it out and see how it is, and if it's good I think I'll purchase a lot more from there. So let's begin with something off the clothing out. It's a little loud, I'm sorry. So here's all the outfits, and let me try to find which one I match it with because I can't really remember the items. So I'm gonna quickly adjust everything together first and I'll show you guys. For the first outfits, I got these two right here. So this is the top and this is the bottom. So begin with the top. So I got like this really cute red color crop tank top. So the strap has this really cute ruffle, and also on the bottom, and this is in the size extra small. This one is $5. And then on the bottoms, and you have this black striped pants, also in the size, this one is a size small. So on the website this one looked more like a dress pant type of material, but when it arrived right now it feels more like a sweatpant material. So I think it will be a little hot for summer, but for spring it should be fine. So these two together, it's gonna be $11. It's a little over my budget, but I think it's okay because it's still within the range. It's not much off. And then for the second outfit, I got this really cute matching set. So this is the top and this is the bottoms. It has really this tying details on the front where you can adjust it, and then also the strap is adjustable, so you don't have to worry that it won't fit. And I also get this one in the size extra small, which is really cute. For this whole set is only 10/20s, and I like blue and white stripe a lot lately, so this is the second outfit I pick out. And then the third one, I also get like a blue and bright stripe too, but I got this really simple white bandeau because it's really summery and it's really hot here. But the material of this one is not as good because it feels like paper. But yeah, for the shorts, it has this really cute tassel and really cute pom-poms. So for the top is $4 and the pants is $5, so it matches up to be $9. And I think this one would be really cute if you matches it. It feels really summery. And then for the next outfits, I got these two right here. The top and on the bottom is black, so just like match it like this. Really some kind of style that I never tried before. So the top has this really cute browser sleeve, like this ruffle sleeve, and then this is the overall outfit. It has two tie in the front, which is, I think it's really weird in the beginning, but when you tie it up together it looks more natural since, you know, less weird. So this is the top and this is the bottom. It's just like a regular shorts, but with like a little detail on the thighs. So this is really soft and really comfortable also, and I can match it more with like everything with the shorts. So I'm pretty happy with the shorts, and I think these two will look together. So the shorts is let me see, the shorts is $5 and this top is $4. So yeah, these two will be cute matching together. And then for the last outfit, for some reason I only got like this overall dress, like a little the little overall. I'm not sure what these are called, but yeah, it's just like a little overall. So I'm matching it with the crop tank off the shoulder crop top that I got from my last videos, which is $4. This one's really cute. And then I got this, like I say, I only got this one. It's like a dress. So so maybe I think it's a dress, that's why I didn't match any top with it. So yeah, this one is for $6 I believe, so 4 and 6, this one makes it $10 too. It's just really cute. The material is not too thick and it's pretty thin, so I think it will be fine for the spring and summer. But there is one more outfit that I want to show you guys, but it's not within the same range as my all other outfits because this one is a little more expensive. So this one is a really cute matching set also with this black print, like a plaited pattern. So this pattern right now is really popular in many kind of clothings, and I think it's really cute. And this is the top. It also has like this little ruffles on the strap, so it's really cute. This is the top, this is the bottoms. So this whole set is $17, and they happen to have it in my size for small, so I grabbed it instantly and I want to try it out to see how it looks like because it does really cute on the models, and maybe this can be my Saturday bonus clothing. So yeah, I'll try this one out too and see how it fits. So this is all the outfits that I got from Shein this time for under $10, and I will be wearing each one of them throughout the week and show you guys how it look like and tell you guys more about each outfit. Hey everyone, so today is Monday, the first day of the week, and this is the outfit that I'm gonna wear today. So it's this really cute one set with the top and bottoms and with both sides with the ruffles. So I think this one is really cute and it's really suited for the summer. I like the ruffle down on the side, especially because it makes my legs look a little skinnier because my leg is not skinny at all. But I think this one is pretty cute overall. The top is really cute and it has the adjustable strap so you can adjust it to fit your size. And then for the shorts, the only thing that I don't like about it is that it's a little bit see-through. So when you wear like a black panty, you will see through it. So I'm not wearing black panties, so you can't really see it right now, but it does see through a little, so you might want to wear something that's more neutral color under just in case you show. But I think this outfit is pretty cute overall, and I'm in love with this outfit. So I'm not doing much today, just going to school, so I'm just gonna wear this really cute outfit to school. Now this is my second outfit. This is how it looked like. So I'm just going to watch a movie today, that's why I'm wearing this shorts. It's really soft and really stretchy and really comfortable also, so it's really great for a movie. But the top, I don't really like it because it makes me look a little fat in some places, like the belly area and the shoulder, but I'm not that fat, but it makes me look a little fat, so I don't really like it. And I don't know how I feel about this ruffle sleeve kind of thing, but this is the overall look of the outfit for today, and today is Tuesday. Yep. And so today is Wednesday, and this is the outfit that I'm gonna be wearing. So the crop top is a little see-through, as you can see. You can see like the two-tone colors because it's really thin. But for the price of it, I think you get what you pay for. And then for the short, I think it's pretty cute. This one is not see-through, but it gives me like this weird feeling of that I'm really fat on the bottom or something like that, because it didn't show any of my body shape at all. And I don't like how this bottom part is like cinched in and not flare out. I think it's because the pom-pom is like restricting it, but it looks a little weird and I'm not really a big fan of that. But I think the overall outfit of this one is pretty cute. So I'm not gonna be doing much today besides staying home since I don't have nowhere to go and it's really hot in my house right now. So this outfit would be great because I'm burning up. That's why I'm tying up my hair too. So yeah, this is my outfits for Wednesday, and this is how the outfit look like. So this is my outfits for Thursday. I'm choosing to wear this overall dress and with this white off the shoulder crop top on the inside. It looks pretty cute, I can say. And the material of it is really soft, really comfortable, not hot at all. And this is how the overall outfit look like. Thursday. Hey everyone, so today is Friday, so it's the last day of the week that I'm gonna be trying on the outfit, and this is the last outfit that I'm gonna wear. So today I'm just gonna be going to school for a little, so I'm gonna wear this pants and this top. So this top is really cute and it really fitted since it's extra small, but even though it looks cropped, it's not as cropped as it seems like on the website. So it's actually a little above my belly button, so even when I wear like a little normal jeans, it won't show too much of my tummies. And then this pants, I have to say I don't really like the length of it because it hits me on a weird place. It makes me look like I'm weird, but I fold it up on this side as you can see, so it looks a little better. And also I don't really like the back part of it because all these bundle up at the backs makes my butt looks like a mess. So it looks weird on the back over here, but other than that, I think this pants is pretty cute overall. So I'm gonna wear it out to see how it look like and how it feels during the afternoon because it's getting quite hot in the afternoon, but I think I'll be back home by then, so yeah, we'll see. So this is the whole outfits for my last day and it's Friday. Everyone, so today is Saturday, so this outfit is not included in the week, but I just want to show you guys how it looked like, and this is how the whole outfit looked like. So this one is a size small, and I can tell you that it definitely not fits me at all because I don't have the upper area, so I have to clip it on the back as you can see to make it smaller and fits me. So if it's extra small, I think it will fit fine, but it only comes in small, so I guess I'll never be able to wear this unless I tailored it. And then this bow is a little weird. I'm gonna move it to a side. So this is the pant. The pant is like super high-waisted and with the ruffle. It is cute, but I think it's a little baggy on me too because it looked like I don't have any body shape wearing this pant. But this outfit overall is really cute and I really wish it fitted me, but for a small girl, small wouldn't do, and unless I tailored it. But yeah, this is my Saturday outfits, and I'm not doing much today, so I'm just gonna wear this at home and take some pictures maybe. So these are all the outfits that I tried from Shein throughout the weeks for $10 or less. So if you guys like this type of video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channels. Also, I'll link all the links down below in case if you guys are interested in any of these items. And thank you guys so much for watching, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!